Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 23 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, a ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 50 meter per second. Find in the A part the maximum height, in the B part the time to reach the maximum height, and in the C part the speed at half the maximum height. In the question it is given the value of g as 10 meter per second square. So let us project a ball. What is the speed of the ball initially? 50 meter per second. The ball is projected vertically upwards. So it will go up to a certain height. What is the value of velocity at the maximum height? It would be 0 because the ball stops because of the downward acceleration g. So therefore the velocity at the maximum height would be 0. Now I am taking upward direction as positive and downward direction as negative. So therefore the value of g would be positive or negative? It would be negative. So the value of g would be negative and the value of v, as it is 0, so value of u would be positive. Now we can use the Newton's equation because we have a constant acceleration g. So let us use the third equation, that is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. So v is equal to 0, u is equal to 50 plus 2, a is minus 10 and into s. So the value of s would be 50 square, that is 2500, and divide by 2 into 10 yani 20. So the value of s would come out to be 125 meters. S would be 125 meters. This was part A. In the part B, they are asking the time to reach the maximum height. Now for the time, let us use the first equation, that is v square is equal to u plus v is equal to u plus at. Let us use this equation. We have the value of v as 0, the value of u is equal to 50 and the value of a is equal to minus 10 t. So from this equation we can find the value of t. T would be equal to 50 upon 10, that is equal to 5 seconds. So it would take 5 seconds for the ball to reach the maximum height. Now in the C part, they are asking the speed at half the maximum height. So what is half the maximum height? H would be equal to 125 divided by 2. Which is equal to 62.5. meters. Now we have the value of displacement. It is known. We have the initial velocity u as 50 meter per second and we have the value, we have to find the value of v in this case. Acceleration is also known. So let us apply v square is equal to u square plus 2as equation again. So v square is equal to u square plus twice of as. V's we have to find. U square is 2500 50 square plus twice of AS. A is minus 10 and S is equal to 62.5. That is the displacement of the ball, half the maximum height. So we have put the values. Let us calculate this. So this would be 62.5 into 10 would be 625 into 2 would be equal to 1250, and adding to this it would become 1250. So adding this it would become 380 and 0. V square would come out to be 3800 meters. So V would be equal to, the velocity would come out to be under root of 3800. 3800 is, we can say the value would be approximately equal to, the value V would be, sorry, we have to subtract the value. This is minus 10, so this won't be 3800. It would be equal to 2500 minus 1250 would be 1250. This is minus 1250 actually. So V square has come out to be 1250. So the value of V would be equal to 35. I am writing the value at the top. V would be equal to 35 meters. Thank you.